Drama as Deji and Groovy almost exchange blows over Phyna following group tags. Big Brother Naija Levelup housemate Deji and Groovy were involved in a hot exchange of words after a concluded team task. Deji and Phyna belong to the same team for the Airtel task. According to Groovy, Deji shouted at Phyna while he tried to correct her after the task, an action that got Groovy pissed. The duo, who threw caution to the wind, ridiculed, insulted and nearly came to exchange blows. The Level Up housemates were able to separate the fight before it got physical. Prior to their role, Deji and Groovy have hardly been on great terms. Deji had shared his reservations about Groovy a number of times, especially regarding his perceived notion that the latter could not be trusted. So Deji and Groovy's fight came as a surprise to us viewers, as we've never seen Groovy go close to being physical in the house. This is the first time Groovy is actually involved in a fight directly, and his first fight is happening between him and Deji. So guys, what do you think about this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below.